Hi friends, and welcome back to Vibe with me. We are now vibing. Today we're gonna get down on some ceviche. My good friend Lombardo showed me this recipe and he showed me a few secret ingredients that kicks this dish up a notch. I've been making it all summer long, trying to perfect this recipe, and everyone is going crazy over this. So if you wanna check it out, follow along. Okay, first we're gonna start off with our crab. We wanna just crumble it up nice and tiny. Nice little bite-sized pieces, something, you know, like this. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. Now that we're all shredded, we're just gonna go ahead and mix. And then I have shrimp. This is uncooked shrimp, and I got it deveined and diced already. Trust me, even though it costs a little bit more, you save yourself the time and the effort because deveining shrimp is no joke. All right, now that that's in together, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lemon. This dish, of course, is better when it's marinated, and then mix it on up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the fridge while I prep our other ingredients. Okay, and then we're just gonna dice up our ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and peel a cucumber and seed it. So we're seeding because we don't want additional moisture. So we're just gonna go ahead and take out all this. We don't want this additional moisture. And then I'm just gonna dice them very small. There we go. Then we're just gonna throw this in the bowl. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my tomato. I'm gonna remove the seeds. Very easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the seeds out of them, just like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and dice small. Yum. There's our tomatoes. Next on the list, jalapenos. If you don't like it spicy, go ahead and take out the seeds. Same thing, we're gonna cut these small. The beautiful thing about ceviche is you could literally make it your own however you want and add more of something, add less of something. There you go. We got these nice and small. Pop. Now, onion. If you don't like onion, let it marinate in the lemon longer and it'll ease the taste of onion, so. Remember to keep your mouth closed or you're gonna cry. Now let's go for some cilantro. I actually use some of the ends of the cilantro because I feel like it has a lot of flavor. So if you dice them up really small, then you're gonna get a lot of that flavor. Cool, we got everything diced up. Now for our secret ingredients. Carrots. Very, very small carrots. I just diced them up. Adds just a little bit of a sweetness, and trust me, you're gonna love it. And that's everything. I like to mix it up first, get everything nice and mixed. And now let's go get our shrimp and crab. Okay. We got our shrimp and crab, and then we're just gonna throw all of this inside. And now, salt and oregano. This oregano is a secret, so don't skip it. And then I'm just gonna crack some pepper. And then add the rest of your lemon. You can add as much lemon as you like. I like mine lemony, of course. And then mix. And then taste for salt. All right, now everything's all mixed up. Let it marinate. Throw it in the fridge for an hour. Lemon is gonna cook the shrimp even more. The flavors are gonna combine and it's gonna be bomb. Perfect, we left it in the fridge for an hour. Let all of that lemon go inside the shrimp and the crab, and now you wanna mix it. You're gonna see that there's a ton of juice at the bottom. That's gonna have all the flavor. Like, my mouth is watering right now. So you wanna just make sure you mix it before you serve. All right, let's talk about plating. You want a good tostada. I love these tostadas. It has a nice flour corn mixture. It gives it like a really good flavor. Then we're gonna go ahead and throw on our ceviche mixture. No ceviche is complete without avocado, in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and dice some of these on top. And then do not forget the tapatio, because babe. And now the taste test, shall we? Nice and fresh. That shrimp and that crab is marinated so nicely with the lemon. I like to make a big batch of it, leave it in the fridge, and I'll eat it like cereal, not gonna lie. This is my pool party go-to because I can make it the day before, keep it in the fridge, pop it out when it's ready. Super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go devour this. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I love to post videos for you. We got a whole lot of summer favorites coming up, so make sure you're following along, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe, okay? Peace. Yeah, okay. Or you could just, you know, eat it with a spoon if it drops, because, you know, it happens and it's life, and scoop it on up, you know? Bombsy, right?